cardashcam.co.za sent us this Viofo A329S model to, well, test and see what dash cams are really about and some of the benefits that can be had with a unit like this installed in your vehicle. And here is, well, some of the main considerations. Let's be honest, driving in South Africa can get rather interesting, whether it's, well, other road users just stopping wherever they want to, or an stray animal running across a rural road, or perhaps your car picking up a ding that wasn't there before you walked into that shop. Well, there's a tool that you can help you in such situations. It is the dash cam. So what is the benefits of a dash cam? Well, it records whatever happens during an incident, and in some cases, even when you're not close to your vehicle, it will record movement or impacts as they happen, which means there is no arguing, no ifs or buts. You've got an eyewitness on your side. So the benefit of that is that you can take that footage, provide it to the police if a crime was committed, and or use it with your insurance claim to help the claim gets processed quicker and to ensure that the proof that you are innocent is in the hands of your insurer. But we have to talk about the legal side as well. You see, in South Africa, it's 100% legal for you to own and operate a dash cam in your vehicle, and you're allowed to record your surroundings. Although in South Africa, we've got what we call the POPIA Act, or Protection of Private Information Act. And what this means is that you that might have recorded some nice footage on your dash cam, you're allowed to share that with the police upon their request, and you can even share it with your insurer should there be a case to be made. But you are not allowed to post it on any public forums or just share it publicly with anybody else, as there could be private information from somebody else in that video. That can be anything from their face to their number plate or just them acknowledging their identity, which without their consent, if you post that, you can also get into trouble. Taking into consideration that this is the very first dash cam that, well, I've had the privilege of getting my hands on and operate, it is, well, a very, very comprehensive kit. It actually comes with 3 angles. Yes, you get a front-facing angle, which is this camera here on the back of this main unit, and that records everything in front of the vehicle. This is a rather wide view, but it does record in 4K HD, which means number plates and all of that is actually rather crisp and clear. Now you also get an interior camera that faces back into the cabin of the vehicle, and this is a fisheye unit which actually records everything from your windows all the way through, which is actually very nice should you need to record a, well, interaction with the police or authorities. And then there is a rear camera which is situated on your rear windscreen, and that records everything going on behind you. Inside the box, you get everything from your 3 camera systems as well as all the cables connecting it. You also get a little tool that allows you to hide all that cabling inside of your vehicle's interior trim, so that it's less cluttery and just a cleaner fit. These interior and rear view units record in 2K, whereas this main unit front-facing camera records in 4K, which means you get a lot of resolution and you can zoom in or crop in a lot to get whatever footage or extract whatever details you might require. But you might wonder, what about the space? Well, this new A329S system allows you to, well, insert a micro SD card of up to 512 gigabytes. But you can also connect a USB-C SSD drive up to 4 terabytes, which allows you to record over 1,000 hours of footage in one go. But one of the most clever features of this is that it can detect dings while your vehicle is switched off. So yes, the camera will go into a standby mode, making sure that it doesn't draw too much power from your vehicle battery. But then as soon as it detects any movement, it will actually switch on within 2 seconds and then record the next minute. Should somebody try to damage or, illegally try to enter your vehicle, it will record what's happening. But at the same time, should something just happen, somebody accidentally bump a trolley into your vehicle, it will also activate the camera and you can capture that as evidence for your insurer to showcase that you were not at fault. And then finally, what makes this system even more clever is that you can very quickly download large volumes of footage with its Wi-Fi 6 built in, which means you can connect your phone via an app and Wi-Fi to this unit and instantly pull information. You can also make sure that all 3 feeds are showing in that single video, which is very, very clever. So would we recommend you actually having a dash cam? Well, considering everything that happens on South African roads, we definitely would. And I would say having one that actually records the cabin as well as what's happening at the driver and front passenger windows, and one that records front and rear facing of the vehicle, that actually does cover a lot should you require any information or footage evidence for a legal case or for your insurance claim. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our videos. If there's any other car tech you would like us to sort of expand about or talk about, please let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.